Ever wish you could stop your racing thoughts with a simple technique? Like a TV remote for your mind, this practice gives you the ability to pause and reset when things get overwhelming. The mental pause technique is a practical tool for those moments when your mind feels like it's running a marathon you didn't sign up for. It's especially useful during stressful workdays or before important conversations. Now, for just a few moments, let everything wait. Your emails, your plans, your worries, they can all wait for these few moments. Start by taking 3 deliberately slow breaths. As you breathe in, mentally say, pause. And as you breathe out, imagine pressing a big red stop button. Notice the brief space you've created. Feel the physical sensation of putting everything on hold. Feel the things like the tension in your forehead or the tightness in your shoulders melt away. As you breathe in, mentally say, pause. And as you breathe out, imagine pressing a big red stop button. When thoughts rush in, gently say, pause, and return to this moment of relief. Use this technique throughout your day whenever you need to reset. It's like giving your mind a mini vacation, even if just for a few breaths. Thank you for your practice. I hope we'll sit together again soon.